Welcome back to AllbyOly Design, where I share free alteration tutorials. In this tutorial, I will show you how to make longer pants only if we have extra fabric inside. As you see, I did mark from the floor to the pin is 12 inches. That means I'm missing 3 inches. So 3 inches is too short on the customer. Now, before I'm gonna make it longer, I will double check the inside allowance. So I do have only 2.5. So maximum I can do 2 inches longer because half inch we will fold and top stitch it. So first thing what we need to do is to remove the top stitch. I always start removing the top stitch with the seam ripper from inside. Make sure you don't pull any of the fabrics like thread from the fabrics because you can ruin the velvet. And after that we will be able to fix the hem. Also, make sure do not ever press with the iron the velvet because you can ruin the fabric. And also, if the velvet pants was top stitched before, it's very hard to remove the line that will be after even removing the stitches. So as you see, I did remove the stitches and now I will mark half inch from the bottom. And all what we need to do is to get the right thread, and my thread is a little thicker, which is special for the velvet pants. Usually you use them for jeans. All these threads are available on Wawak sewing supplies or the cleaner supplies. Now only thing what we need to do is to fold and also make sure you change it to number 4 stitch, and then we're just gonna top stitch it all around. So we were able to make 2 inches longer, which is way much better than 3 inches too short. Not all the pants have extra fabric to make longer, so you only have to double check the allowance inside. Another important tip for you is when you sewing and hemming pants or any other clothes with the stretchy velvet, make sure don't pull too much when you're sewing because you don't want it to make wavy hem. You want it to keep it straight. After our pants is ready, we are ready to press it only from inside. Also, I will do some steaming on top, and as you see, the old stitch will be the line right there because that's how velvet fabric are. And if you have a home iron, make sure to put some clothing on top and then press it. If you have the industrial iron with a protection shoe, then you are good to go. All set, and this is how we made longer pants. I hope this tip will help you. Thank you so much for watching and subscribe for more.